So this is the Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. So this is what it looks like here. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So it comes with your rag, as well as your blemish and scratch remover right here. And lastly, we have our attachment that's going to go on the drill. So let me go ahead and show you the actual scratches and the blemishes that we're working with. Alright, so you can probably see here, we've had this for so long and it's not going anywhere. So I'm really hoping that this stuff works. And then, not too bad over here, but we have a couple of scratches. You can probably see those right there. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do to it. I really don't know. We have a couple more blemishes in the back right here. So let's go ahead and try this out. So you first want to go ahead and just put this on here. And then we'll work the drill around just like that on the car. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to take the rag that I had that came in the box and we'll see if that actually took it off. Wow. So something that's been there for probably a year already. I never would have thought this would have took it off. So I'm going to go ahead and try the other spots as well. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and try this right here, and then we got another scratch right there. So let's see if we can get that off. So right now you can still see it, so we're just going to keep on going. And just like that, it is gone. This stuff really works. Let me go ahead and try this other scratch right here. I'm going to add a little bit more of this remover to it. There we go. Alright, one more scratch. So far, we're 2 for 2. So, still a little bit hard to see. This was definitely a deeper scratch right there. So although it does look a lot better, it didn't completely make it disappear. But the blemishes are all gone, completely gone. And this scratch does look a little bit better than it did before. So overall, this is something I would definitely recommend.